¿Qué pasa, everybody? Welcome back. So today is the day that we try and put a face on this thing. So I already got everything pretty much. So here's a new fender that I bought. Went and picked it up with my brother and a friend at Summit. Took a little road trip. Here's the other one. They're not both. It's not bolted on. I just put it on there so my dog wouldn't pee on it or it wouldn't get stepped on. But I was gonna leave it black, and I was like, nah, let me primer it. And then once I primered it, I was like, I wonder if we can color match it. So I went and bought this right here. Fire orange. Yeah, looks better than black or primer, so. So right here we got everything. We got the grill, the bezels, all kinds of little things. To bolt the grill and the bezels on. And then we got the headlights. We got the little thingies to bolt the headlights on. And then we got the lower, what are those? Running lights, parking lights, turn signals. These things are on back order. That's crazy. So I had to get these used. But that's the wrong radiator core support. This is off of a 89 Suburban, and my truck is an 88. I didn't know they were going to be different, but this is for a single headlight Suburban. But what changes is that part right here. It's way too small. So I already got the other one over here. Alright, painted, dirty though. But this is for a single headlight too. I don't know if you can adapt the dual headlight, but everybody in the mama have that dual headlight one, so I wanted to just keep it single headlight. As you can see, this part is way bigger than the other one. So if you didn't know, there's a total of 5 different radiator supports. All right, 73 to 81, they're the same one. 82 through 88, there's 2 different ones. All right, there's one for the dual headlight and there's one for a single headlight. And then 89, 90, 91, there's 2 different ones. There's one for a single headlight, which is this one. All right, that's how it looks. And then there's one for the dual headlight, but they're side by side, kind of like an OBS. I don't know how that one looks, so but I'm gonna take this off, take off that bumper, and then paint the fenders, both of them. All right, and then I'll come back with you guys. I don't want to bore you guys with that. All right, so we're gonna start with these mounts. I got them on eBay, like 97 bucks. Alright, so now I think we're ready to put on the inner fenders. So since I got the bumper off, I think it don't matter whether I put the inner fenders or the fenders first, so I'm gonna go this route. so that's one. Alright, there it is. So we got 3 up here and then 2 down there. Alright, so now that we got the paint sticks on here, let's start tightening it up. And I was gonna go orange since the truck is orange, but originally this truck is red, so the interior is all red, the dash is red. So I was like, might as well just go red, you know.
That could be in the video too. Other people need so fun in here. I can put it back. There.
You're gonna put these 2 sticks right here and right here. Ahí va. Now the other one on the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so I got both fenders on, and right now I'm aligning them. Make sure they fit nicely. This one's good. Everything's looking good. Messed it up a little bit, but everything's looking good. Alright. But this side, can you see that? It looks like the fenders bowed this way. So that's not good. I mean, I know they're not gonna fit perfectly because they're aftermarket, but I wasn't expecting this. Alright, so now we're gonna do the headlight. For the headlight, you put the top on first. Alright, and then you put the side one on next. Right there. And then that'll clip. This is the one that's always a pain. You guys see that? So, top one first, then this side. Then that little clip right there. That's one side. All right, now for the bottom ones, and these are on back order on LMC truck. I'm pretty sure you can get them on eBay or Amazon. You know what? Maybe I should put the other part first. So this is supposed to go first and then the bumper. Because the bumper covers it right there, so tip right there. Alright, so hook the top on first. Side one. And this. There we go. And you just go snug, eh? Don't go out of hand, just snug.
I think the next thing I'm gonna do to it is the rear. I already got a flip kit, 2-inch drop hangers, 2-inch drop shackles, 12 bolt rear end, 6 lug. So there you go. I'm gonna go 6 lug on this truck. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Keep up with the project.